Hey Generals, today I'm going to be explaining how to get into the PBIS Rewards app and how you can see your points and what you can do with them. So first, what you're going to do is go to clever.com and click on the PBIS Rewards app that should have red, yellow, and blue blocks. Once you're there, if you want to see how many points you have, just look at the right side of the screen at the star, and beside it should be the number of points you have. If you want to see how you got those points, just click on the points icon and click per expectation, and you can see how you got the points. If you want to spend the points that you got, you can go to the stores icon and see what you need and if you can buy anything. And if you want to buy it, click on buy, and you can see your purchases on the purchases icon and see what you've purchased, and you can get it delivered by a Monday. Now you know how to get into the PBIS Rewards app.